How to fix Messenger notification not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Click on do not disturb and click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, update messenger. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search, messenger app. Now click on messenger, scroll down, click on app details, and now click on update. After click on update, messenger will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messenger cache. Open setting, scroll down, again click on apps, again search messenger app and click on messenger, scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messenger will be clear cache from your phone. This is how you can fix messenger notification not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.